In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your TikTok account private. So let's get started. It's very easy. So just open TikTok and go to your profile like this, and just click on the top right corner on those three dots and click on privacy and safety. And right here you have a lot of options, but just click on the first one at the top where it says private account. Just enable it and this will make your account private. So just go back. As you can see, right beside your name it will also show a lock icon, so you will know your account is on private. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.